Hello, knife lovers. Today I have something for you. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and I received this new package from my wife as a Father's Day present. And let's see, let's find out what's inside. All right, as you can see, uh, this thing is was purchased from Messer Company. It's a German company which sells knives, tools, everything with regards to camping. Look at, guys, I have extra treat for you. You see this? These are just extra. This is the main thing. All right, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is a Victorinox Forester in selected grain, walnut. Look how beautiful that is. Look. Oh, you know what? One thing I love about this knife, that's why I choose this over the Ranger 55. It's because this thing doesn't move. I have one Ranger 55 that when you open it, it's like it's moving. I don't feel secure about it. So I choose this Forester. And together with this Forester, I told her to pair it with a brown leather case. Look, it's beautiful. This video won't justice for it, but in real life, you can see this thing is absolutely beautiful. Now, together with it, I didn't. No, she didn't. She didn't purchase this lanyard. I think the company gave it as an extra because I told her if she's going to buy me this Forester, just buy me a small screwdriver for the cork, corkscrew like this one. Only this one and this one. That's the things that we purchase. All the rest, this thing and this thing, they're just additional from this company. This is my second purchase from this Messer & Company, and the service is very good. Let's go back to this thing, guys. It's a thing of beauty. Check it out. Now, before I end this unboxing, I want you to follow my my YouTube channel. I have something for you in my next episode. Here, guys. Look at this beauty. And of course, the beast. Now at least we have something to talk about in the next video. Cheers.